Welcome to SyntropAI. We've moved beyond just defining rules. This demo shows how SyntropAI enters the regulation phase, where compliance isn't just enforced, it's made visible through graph intelligence. Our goal was to provision virtual machines and databases across AWS, OCI, and Azure, within a governed, multi-cloud architecture. But more importantly, we wanted every action, relationship, and policy check to be recorded as graph data. As the AI agent begins deploying infrastructure, it already knows what's allowed from previous legislative rulebooks. So in AWS, it creates a T2, micro AIC2 instance and a DynamoDB table. In OCI, it launches an A1, Flex Compute instance in a private subnet, along with a MySQL HeatWave database. And in Azure, it provisions a standard B1 LSVM and a SQL database, each fully tagged and compliant. But here's where the shift happens. As each resource is created, the agent also builds a graph model in Neo4j. This graph includes the full hierarchy of cloud providers, regions, networks, and resources, links between VMs and subnets, databases and services, ownership, environment, and compliance tags, plus Slack notifications and audit trails as relationships, not just logs. Instead of scattered data and disconnected systems, we now have a living, queryable model of the entire multi-cloud stack. At any point, you can trace who owns a VM, where data lives, what resources share a subnet, or whether anything violates security policy. This isn't just infrastructure as code. It's infrastructure as knowledge. The graph enables automated verification, impact analysis, and regulatory audits, without digging through consoles or tickets. This is SyntropAI in regulation mode, where every deployment becomes a graph, and every decision is captured as part of a bigger, smarter system. Stay tuned.